Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G and I will show you how face unlock works in this device, so how fast we can unlock phone with this option. So let's make a few tries. As you can see, it looks like there is no any protection on the screen. I mean, take a look. As you can see, it just looks like you pressed the power key without set it up any kind of the screen protection. I mean the screen lock, basically. So that's very fast. It's faster than the fingerprint sensor that you can find on the screen, and that's really amazing. So as you can see, it works great and it's reliable also. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.